Welcome to this in-depth review of the Associated Bank Rural Housing Loan, a USDA-backed mortgage program aimed at helping low to moderate income individuals or families purchase homes in rural areas. I've personally explored the application process, terms, benefits, and downsides to give you a full, honest perspective. Right from the homepage of Associated Bank's mortgage section, the user interface is simple, but perhaps a bit outdated. It's easy to navigate, but the visual design doesn't exactly build confidence for a first-time visitor. I had to dig a bit to locate information specifically about their USDA loan offerings, which they refer to as rural housing loans. Once on the dedicated page, the loan overview is straightforward. Associated Bank offers USDA rural development loans with zero down payment options, which can be a big draw for qualifying applicants. The terms are favorable in theory: low fixed interest rates, flexible credit score requirements, and the ability to finance closing costs. However, getting precise details without speaking to a loan officer can be frustrating. There's no quick rate estimate tool for this specific loan type, and they don't show a breakdown of APRs or sample payment schedules on the site itself. To get those numbers, I had to contact their support, which thankfully was responsive and helpful. But still, it's an extra step that shouldn't be necessary. Many other useful links you can find in the description. The eligibility requirements are in line with USDA rural development standards. That means your property must be in an eligible rural area, and you must meet certain income thresholds, which vary by region and household size. Associated Bank doesn't provide an easy zip code eligibility tool directly, but they do link out to the USDA's official site. That's helpful, but I prefer integrated tools to streamline the research process. During the application walkthrough, I found that Associated Bank does not support a fully online application for this specific loan. You'll have to schedule a meeting with a mortgage loan officer either in person or over the phone to proceed. For tech-savvy users used to digital-first lenders, this might feel dated. Still, the personal touch could be a plus for those who appreciate guided support. In terms of customer service, I had a good experience. The loan officer I spoke with was knowledgeable about the rural housing loan product and didn't push other mortgage options. They were clear about documentation requirements, timelines, and realistic expectations for processing times, which can range from 30 to 45 days depending on property approval by the USDA. One downside I noticed is that there are no clear user reviews or ratings for this loan product on the Associated Bank site. Transparency in terms of past borrower satisfaction would go a long way in building trust. Also, while they mention closing cost assistance, the details are vague and weren't clearly explained on the website. You'll have to press for specifics during your consultation. Overall, if you're eligible and you're looking to buy in a rural area, this loan can be a solid option, especially if you're struggling with the down payment hurdle. But be prepared for a more traditional, hands-on loan process and limited self-service tools on the website. It's not the most tech-forward lender, but the customer support and product stability do make up for it in many ways. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching.